Okay, so here's your system all plugged in. I have a game in there. We're going to start off with just your basic composite to the TV. Power light comes on. We got sound. Whatever. Okay, so things look pretty good here. Alright, so now let's go to S-Video. That in. And disconnect that. Turn that on. Okay, that looks good. Alright. Next. Component. Change the input. Why do I not have sound? Oh, I plugged in the wrong sound cables, that's why. Okay. There we go. Okay. Alright, let's test out the hold switch. It should pause the game now. Resume now. Okay, cool. Let's do overclock. Make sure it boots up in the overclock mode. This has been flipped up. Okay, looks like it's running fine in overclock mode. Alright, and let's see if this gets tripped by region switches. Yeah, Konami would usually just come to that screen if the region's wrong, so looks like you're all set. Alright, I'll upload this now.